What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video, we're going to be talking about why you should be buying Bone right now, or at least very soon before it takes off. Bone is a huge part of Shibaswap, and I want to be explaining it today in this little video. And we're actually about to have the virtual party that I'm going to be live streaming, so this video will be up after that, of course, but I will be live streaming that, and then you can expect a video about the virtual party afterwards. I'm going to see exactly what it's about, or if it's literally just a party, or if there's any information there. However, let's get right into the content. If you guys have not seen this channel before, or this is your first time on the channel and you like the channel, you appreciate the good vibes, the positive attitude, and all that stuff, go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss an update. And also, the information that's going to be in this video is going to be pretty insightful, so make sure you're paying attention. And if you are locked in, go down the comments and comment locked in for this info. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts right now. So I have two monitors set up right now. So if you see me looking back and forth, that's what I'm looking at. Right now, I'm just looking at the price action of Bone. So guys, if you guys are not already in Bone or stacking up on Bone or anything like that, you guys are definitely missing out a little bit. If you guys are not taking part of liquidity pools or anything to stack up on free tokens, at least you better be staking something, guys. Please be taking part of Shibaswap, whether it be staking, digging, anything. It doesn't matter which one you're digging, whatever. There are better ways, but I will have a video out on how to get the most out of Shibaswap. So if you guys are looking forward to that video, go ahead and make sure that you smash the like button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss that upload, because it's going to be very good on how you can make the most money from Shibaswap. Anyhow, I will be going over basically the price action, guys. So as you can see here, it is consolidating down at the bottom. Hopefully this is a new floor for us, because we saw lots and lots of consolidation here. Maybe it'll go 1, 2, and 3 points. So hopefully it comes down a little bit more and we'll see it hit 3 times. 3 times generally means that it'll probably see an uptrend after that. If not, all good. We will find our floor. However, what I want to bring to your guys' attention is something that I've seen on TradingView and something that I've talked about in my live streams. So I'm gonna be, wait, did I block the screen when I was, no, you guys could see that. Okay, so I'm gonna make myself a little bit smaller here and show you guys exactly what I've been seeing on the charts and why I'm so bullish on Bone. So if we take a look at Uniswap, and Uniswap has gotta be the biggest swap currency right now, right? So you can see that we have seen the same pattern here on Bone. So we saw a huge spike at the beginning, and then we saw a clean sell-off and then pure consolidation. Hopefully that's what we're seeing right now. Huge spike, sell-off, consolidation. Hopefully this is our floor at around 2.5, but $2.50, and hopefully that's what we're seeing. However, if you take a look at this chart, we see that first spike makes it look so tiny after a few months of consolidation and pushing. And remember this, guys, I'm gonna make myself a little bit bigger here. Remember, we are doing much better, much greater numbers than Uniswap, PancakeSwap, any of the swaps have ever done within their first weeks or even first months. It took Uniswap a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this right now. If you take a look at CoinMarketCap, and I believe, let me find Uniswap, sorry about that. Okay, so Uniswap, right? If we take a look at market cap, it took them, they started in September. So from September all the way until January, so September, October, November, December, January, 5 months to hit $1.7 billion in market cap. You know how long that took Shiba Inu, or not Shiba Inu, Bone to hit that, or for us to, on Shibaswap, to lock in that much? It took us 1 week to lock in $1.7 billion. Even right now, if we take a look at the site, you can see right here that it says clearly $1.4 billion. And that was as high, I don't know if it got up to the 2, but I know it was up at least 1.7 billion. I wasn't watching it the whole entire time, sorry about that. But like you guys can see, we're doing huge numbers that it took them a very long time to hit. So like I said, if you look at even 1.5, it took them 5 months. 5 months to reach what we've been doing, and we did in a week. We are going to surpass and be the #1 swap exchange. Trust me, guys. And with that being said, Bone is going to be very valuable. And let me explain that point. That doesn't really have anything to do with the charts, but what makes Bone so valuable is the fact that it is the governance token for the swap. So if the swap is doing crazy numbers and it is the #1 swap in this space. After a few months and it solidifies itself, I 100% believe that it will be the #1 spot in the space. I 100% believe that. And when that happens, we are going to see a huge spike in Bone. Why? Because Bone is the governance token that basically gives the community and people the ability to control the future, in a sense, in a positive way, to control where Shibaswap goes. So all the great things that are going to come for Shibaswap, basically people will be able to have a vote in what exactly goes down. And for like, it's just like if you could buy stake in Walmart and then you can control what moves Walmart makes in the future. That is super duper valuable. It's going to be valuable here too, because it is going to be the #1 spot in the space. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention, guys. And if it goes the same way that it did as far as price action, and we look at how it went from right here, this big spike at the beginning, and then consolidates down, and then had a huge push forward, push up, consolidate, and then a huge push forward. If we see that same thing happen here, and this is what we're looking at, and it makes $75 look small, guys, this is gonna be absolutely huge. Like, I don't even know how to necessarily explain it, and I can't give a true what exactly the price is gonna be. However, my price prediction is around $50 by the end of this year. So in around 6 months or so, 5-6 months or so, I believe that this bone currency will be sitting at least $50. I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly my opinion. But however, let's talk about this. A lot of people that I've spoken to in the space that literally are like nerdy with analytics and constantly look at this stuff, man, they are thinking like $75 plus, even as high as, I mean, you got to think, and I'm saying by the end of the year, they're saying 75 by the end of the year, and then even further than that, they're thinking triple figures. So they're thinking $100 plus, $200, $300 per token. So think about this, guys. Right now, we need to be focusing on stacking up as much bone as possible. And if you guys aren't, I definitely am, and I'm going to be reaping the rewards from that later. If you guys know, make sure you go down in the comments and comment Reaper, because you know that's kind of our thing. We reap the rewards of the things that we are investing in. So comment Reaper down below if you're paying attention. So anyhow, guys, that's basically it as far as that goes. I'm going to make myself a little bit bigger here. That, as far as comparing it to Uniswap, and you can see the same thing. I'm actually real quick, I'm going to go back and look at the charts one more time and show you guys that this same pattern, this big rise and then dip and then explosion, has happened with every single token. So that one was Uniswap. This is PancakeSwap. Same thing. Big explosion, downtrend, consolidate, explosion again. Same thing with SushiSwap. Sorry, let me back up. Big explosion, huge downtrend, consolidation, and explosion. And these are happening at like a 30x rate. 30x on SushiSwap, 40x on, wait, let me make sure that I got that correct. No, 400%, so 4x. 4x on PancakeSwap, which is one of the smaller ones. And then if we go to Uniswap, let me draw and see what the profit margin would have been on that. Another 400%. So really, which is kind of crazy, SushiSwap has had the most push, but I guess that's because they started off so tiny anyways. So they started off down here, what's that price? 7 cents, and then they've gone up super high. So as you can see, it makes this one look small, and it almost doubles that almost every time. So if we look at PancakeSwap, if we look here, it pretty much doubled it from 25. Uniswap, we can see it pretty much doubled it from 40, went up to 80. So if we're looking at doubling, we're looking at $160 per token when it comes to Bone if we double from our peak. Even let's just say 60, let's short it a little bit. If it goes up from 60 and makes 60 look small, and we go to 120, $150 per share, and I'm holding thousands of Bone. Here, I'm gonna go over here and show you guys my unwoofable. So as you can see right here, guys, I'm about to hit the 2,000 mark on Bone. I'm literally about to hit the 2,000 mark. So I am stacking up as much as possible. I'm not just saying this and not putting myself behind it. I am personally putting myself behind this, and I'm not just telling you guys to do it. Anyhow, so if you guys enjoyed the video and you have any further questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to get as many as possible. However, if you have any specific questions or anything that you want to ask me about how to navigate the swap, what's the best things, I can't tell you exactly what to do with your money. That is all up to you. However, I can probably help you come to a conclusion on what the best thing is for you and do a little bit of consulting with you. If you guys are interested in that, go down in the description and check out my Patreon link. It is only $50 a month and you will get an hour session with me, literally for 50 bucks. On top of that, you will get access to the private Discord where I call out where I'm buying more of different cryptocurrencies, stocks. I'm a little bit iffy on the stock market because it's been so volatile lately. It's been straight uptrend and then a big drop. So not really too into stocks currently, but with cryptocurrency, I am putting out my call outs and where I think that it's a good time to buy and where I also think it might be a decent time to take profits. So check that out in the link in the description. Also, my free Discord link is down there as well if you would like to join a nice community full of good people with good information. Anyhow, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Do not forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. Peace.